So what's up? Hey, listen, thank you guys for watching my last video, giving it a like, man. I really appreciate it, man. Appreciate that, guys. You know what I'm saying? Uh, if you haven't subscribed, please do it now. Hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, give it a like, man. Uh, I'm this video gonna be a little bit quick. I'm kind of running out of time. I gotta start hitting the bed. I gotta do this double load today, so I'm gonna be running in a few hours. So wanted to do a quick video today. Might do something tomorrow morning. Uh, might be live stream. Not really sure right now, but I'm gonna do a couple searches here today and then do something tomorrow. Not sure what I'm gonna do, but let's get to the search today, man. Thank you. First search is Detroit, Michigan. I put down 150 miles radius is a step deck, and I put down all the states, and let's see what they got. Now there's only 13 loads here for 150 miles radius, you know. So scroll down real quick, take a screenshot, rewind the video, and you can check it out a little bit later. But that's what it's looking like right there for 150 miles. Now that's as far as I would like to go. But maybe, you know, on a van, but maybe step deck is a little bit different. There's maybe not a lot of freight out there for step decks in that area. So maybe you got to day here a little bit more. Let's put down 200 miles real quick. Now, extra 50 miles give you an extra 6, 7 loads, 8 loads or whatever. So it's not that bad. Got some okay rates. Look at this, 666. Huh? Yeah, I won't do that. That's crazy. That's bad. Alright, let me scroll down. Man, what the hell is what is this? Yeah, I would like to book this load, paying a cent. Crazy, paying $1, a cent per mile. Yeah, that's definitely a misprint. Alright, let's go to the next one, guys. Next one is gonna be Cincinnati. I put Cincinnati. Shit. Cincinnati, Ohio. Pretty sure it's Cincinnati, Ohio. They just told me Cincinnati, so I'm just guessing it's Ohio. Click out the step deck, and what they want to flatbed. Okay, flatbed. Let's see what they got. 100 loads. Well, more than 100 loads. These are the rates it's paying. Now I'm not gonna get too much into detail. You know, this is gonna be a little quick video. So I mean, it's up to you. Look at the rates. Look at the days that the load's gonna be good for, and you know, you're gonna have to calculate it and see if it's gonna be good enough for you. This is a good one right here, 2,500 for 600 miles. Pick up on the 26th, deliver on 29th. So you're gonna be 3 days for that load. Now that's a little problem because it's only gonna take like a day, you know, a day and a half to get there, you know. So, but let me scroll down real quick. And I apologize for going fast. I wasn't gonna do the video, but I was like, let me do a quick one real quick. I know guys been asking for it, so you know, at least you guys can see something. You know, something's better than nothing. You know. I want to give a shout out to my boy, you know, J Dub. You know what I'm saying? He a buddy of mine, you know, right now. He's doing his thing, you know, making that money. So I want to give him a shout out. You know, I love you, buddy. I love you. Next search is what's the search? What's it at? What's it at? Oh, there you go. Now they put down Mississippi local, but I mean, you gotta give me a specific town or something, city or whatever, you know. So I just put down Mississippi to Mississippi. I mean, that's what you're gonna get. So see what they got. 150 miles. Okay. Oh, let's see. This is basically all local stuff, kind of. There you go. You want local stuff? There you go. Uh, that's some local stuff right there. Now, if you give me a town, you know, somewhere, a city, I could do that city to that city, and it will give me more better results. But you know, I could do. Let me see. So I did PA. Let me see. I want to do this. Let's go real quick. Give me a second. Let me see if I get it real quick. Now you gotta give me a city or something, bro, for I could at least give you some local stuff if you want to do it. You know what I'm saying? Now this is how you would do it. Give me a city, and I will do a search just like this. I'll put 100 miles radius for that one, and then over here I put down 200 miles. Basically, this is gonna give you all the local stuff for the area. Let's go. Wow, that's probably a wrong city, but if you can see what I'm talking about, this is all the bottom two are local stuff. I mean, the top one is 300 miles. It's something short, but that's probably just a bad area. But yeah, just give me exact, you know, city, and I could do a better search than this, man. Just for, you know, you can know for next time. Give me a second. Van. All right, Van, Detroit, Michigan, flatbed local. See, somebody wanted. Okay, now somebody wanted Detroit, Michigan, flatbed, local. So now what I do is I put Detroit, Michigan to Detroit, Michigan. Then I will put 200, 250. You do anything from 2 to 250. This is how you get like local stuff that it could probably bring you back home. 8 loads. Now you can see there's all local stuff. And just real quick off the hand, that top one ain't paying that bad. You know, 200 miles, $1,000. Come on, man. Come on. That's good money right there. That's good money. Not bad. Got some local stuff, you know. Now, all this stuff is pick up, deliver the next day. So it's not really, besides the Jonesville, Michigan to Detroit. That's local right there. That's you going out 86 miles, pick it up and bring it back to Detroit. That's some local. That's a local load right there. Good example. All right. Last searches. I'm just gonna do I'm just gonna do van and there you go. Just do it like this. This is just the best loads they got on the board. Sorry for the video, man. This is a little quick thing. I just want to show you guys some of the rates here and there, you know. Wanted to do something for you guys today. Damn, look at that. Shit. Let's click on this. Man, don't know what's up with that though, but that's crazy. Damn. Alright. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm gonna scroll down real quick. You guys can look at it real quick. I'm gonna do something tomorrow, man. It's gonna be a little bit longer. This is just something really, really quick, you know, I promise you guys. So hey, don't forget to subscribe. Please give it a like if you can. Appreciate it. The button is right under the video. And if you guys trying to get hired, email me and I'll walk you through the process. Alright, man. Y'all guys be safe, man. Talk to you guys tomorrow.